SmartDraw's SubChart feature works great for breaking down larger diagrams into smaller, easier to navigate diagrams. You can add subcharts when working with org charts, flowcharts, and mind maps with just a click. For instance, if you want to link to another department and thus a separate org chart from this employee, just select their shape and click Create Subchart here in the Smart panel. This opens a new page within your file on which you can now build a new org chart for that department. You can do this for however many subcharts that you want. Click on the link within the shape to navigate between the original and the subcharts. You can also click on the page tabs up here to navigate the subcharts. Right-click on a tab to rename it, or click here to manage pages. Here you can change the order that the page tabs appear. This doesn't affect the links that you've added to your diagram. They will continue to work the same unless you choose to clear the hyperlink. Easily add sub-processes to a complicated flowchart to make it easier to follow. Add submaps to a mind map to clearly index hubs of information, meeting agendas, and project tasks. It's a very powerful tool.